In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete board in Miro. We'll start right from your Miro dashboard, open Miro in your browser, and once the dashboard loads, you'll see an overview of your content. The area we're focusing on is the recent section. This shows boards you've opened or edited lately, which makes it the quickest place to find the one you want to remove. Take a moment to identify the exact board you intend to delete. It's a good practice to double check the name and thumbnail so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one, especially if you have similarly titled boards or shared templates. Hover your cursor over the board tile you want to remove. When you do, a small menu icon with 3 dots, often called the More Actions menu, will appear. Click that icon to open the options for this specific board. This menu is where Miro groups actions like rename, duplicate, move, and the one we need, delete. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you click to the 3 dots on the correct board tile. Next, click Delete. At this point, Miro will typically ask you to confirm the action. This confirmation step is important because deleting a board can impact collaborators and linked projects. Read the prompt carefully and confirm you're removing the correct board. If you see a note about permissions or the delete option is disabled, it likely means you're not the board owner or you don't have the necessary rights in that team space. In that case, you'll need the owner or an admin to handle the deletion. Before you finalize, consider whether you might need any content from that board later. If there are assets you want to preserve, you can copy them to another board or export what you need beforehand. Deleting is meant for boards you're sure you no longer need, such as outdated drafts, test boards, or duplicates cluttering your workspace. After you confirm, the board will be removed from your recent section and your workspace. If your organization uses any retention or trash features, you may have a limited time to restore it, but treat deletion as final to stay on the safe side. Also keep in mind that the interface on mobile or tablet may look a little different, so these steps are best followed on desktop. That's it. From the dashboard, locate the board in recent, open the 3-dot menu on the board tile, and choose Delete, confirming when prompted. With that, you'll keep your workspace clean and focused on the boards that matter most.